Bodrum is a city on the Bodrum Peninsula, stretching from Turkiye's southwest coast into the Aegean Sea. This is the spot where jet setters around the world travel to for some peaceful relaxation. I'm approaching the beautiful Kaya Palazzo in Bodrum by boat. This is the way to do things in the Mediterranean Isles. Well, I'd say this is about as good as it gets. I got 30 degrees weather, unlimited sunshine, the coastline of Bodrum, the Aegean Sea. Well, I'm here on a purpose. I'm gonna hone in on the region's specialties, so let's get to it. I walk through the Kaya Palazzo, Le Chic Bodrum, enjoying the Mediterranean views and the resort's stellar, picture-perfect amenities. Private beaches, villas with panoramic views of Bodrum coast, Greek Isles nearby. This is perfection. I'm headed to the sun-kissed outdoor lounge to meet Chef Okan, who's gonna walk me through a particular dish that defines this region's culinary story.
I will cook today for you fish and salt.
Fish and salt, it sounds so simple.
We need seabass, potato, leaves, lemon, carrot, red onion, also egg white and salt.
This is sea salt.
Yeah, sea salt, some black pepper.
Simple ingredients, but it's all about the fresh.
Yeah, fresh, everything
seafood.
is fresh.
Wow, you work fast.
Egg white.
Okan's adding about 8 ladlefuls of salt, and probably 9 now. Just egg whites and salt. Salt and pepper goes on.
Medium leaves.
Bay leaf. Laying out our
Vegetable
chopped
mix.
up veggies. Olive oil, of course. Now this is the money shot right here. You're basically building his house, his castle. This is interesting. It's not the first time I've seen this sort of preparation. Of course, it has its own unique touch that makes it local to Bodrum, but I have seen this in Lyon, France as well. Just baked in salt. It's always an exciting presentation when the chef reveals it. And smothered in a salty tomb, Okan takes our sea bass straight to the oven. 180 degrees Celsius, 30 minutes, and it's baked to perfection. I'll find out just how perfect in a moment, but first, I wanted to appreciate this beautiful Kaya Palazzo property. I see you have a special tool here. Can I see this? A hammer, a mallet. Instead of Thor's hammer, you have Okan's hammer. Here we go. Whoa. Slowly flaking it off and revealing the goodness that is inside. It's about a 3-inch layer, 2.5-inch layer of salt. Now he's filleting it. And I imagine all the goodness is just trapped in there. Look at that. It's just perfection. Very nice. Let's taste. Oh yeah. So many things to talk about. First of all, the level of salt. It's not the same taste as when you season something that's been oven baked or grilled and you sprinkle some salt. This has depth with the salt encrusted cooking method. It's almost got this marine, maritime sea salt infused in the meat, into the sea bass, and it's just a completely next level experience. It's coated with béarnaise sauce, which is just egg yolks, white wine vinegar, butter of course, and some herbs to taste. The whole point of cooking in the salt encrusted method is you're essentially creating your own oven, makeshift oven, because the salt creates an airtight seal. So for delicate meats like the sea bass right here, you can't mess it up. It's just gonna cook to perfection. So airtight seal creates an insulation, and you just have the most decadently cooked seafood. Perfect bite, perfect weather. What more is there to say?